Hi, welcome to this video on how to search the DSM online. I'm going to show you how to maneuver around the ebook and also how to do a keyword search. And after that, I will show you how to find the link to it online if you don't know where it is on the library's homepage, and also where you can find information on how to cite information that you found in the DSM using the APA citation style, as well as finding print editions of the DSM if you prefer the print version. All right, let's get started. If you click on the link to the DSM from either the psychology guide or the psychiatric nursing guide on the library's website, it will take you to the page that you see here. So the DSM lives in the Psychiatry Online database. And if you look here, it doesn't look like there's much on offer, but you can click on the expand all and it'll show you all the subsections. Or if you already know the particular section you're interested in, so you want diagnostic criteria for, let's say, schizophrenia, you could click on the down arrow there and you'll see schizophrenia is in the third option there. And when you click on it, it takes you to that section. So it's pretty straightforward. But the reality is that most students who are searching don't know the exact sections that they're interested in, and they'll need to do a keyword search. Unfortunately, Psychiatry Online doesn't offer a search interface just for this ebook. When you search Psychiatry Online, it will search all of this content. So when you do search, you will notice that you get huge result lists. So there's over 34,000 matches coming up. To just pull things from the DSM, you need to use the narrow filters or the narrow results filters on the left. Under publication, I'm just going to click on more so we can see all the publications. You will notice that the DSM library comes up as an option. And if you click on that, suddenly your result list drops down to 49. So huge difference, but you still need to make sure you're just pulling stuff from the DSM. So if the assignment that you're doing says that you can only pull information from the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, make sure that's what it says underneath the title. You'll notice the second title in this list looks exactly the same, but it's coming from the clinical cases. So just make sure that if you need to just be pulling from the DSM, that this is coming up underneath the title of whatever you're looking at. And again, if we click on the title, it looks exactly the same. It's the same section we looked at before. As far as citing the sections, under tools, you'll notice a citing option, but this is only if you're using a citation tool. Like if you're using Zotero or some other citation management tool, you can download it, but there's no place where you can just copy and paste it in. So I'll show you where to find APA information. On the library's homepage, which is kpu.ca/library, to find the Psychiatry Online database, you can just click on Research Databases, type DSM in, and a link will come up. But I actually want to show you where it is on the guides, because that's where the additional information is about the APA citing. The page that I'm going to show you is on two guides. I'll only show you one, but I just want to show you how to get to the different ones. So the psychiatric nursing guide is here under nursing, and then the psychology guide is, not surprisingly, under psychology. Now there's different pages of information here, and the page that you want is called the DSM. The link that I was talking about to the DSM where we started this video is right here. And the video that I shot, which I haven't uploaded yet, will live here. This is the older video. To find the print version, if you prefer to borrow the print version from the library, you will find links under this tab. If you need the formula for how to cite information from the DSM, you will see it here, and a link back to some more detailed information if you need it. And most importantly, if you need help searching the database or creating your APA citations, don't hesitate to reach out to us and ask for help. This will take you to a link on our homepage, the Ask Us link that has many ways that you can contact us if you need assistance. That's all that I have to say for this video. So good luck with your searching.